Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on Gemini AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your Gemini AI's account's password, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in gemini-ai.com and make a search. You're going to see the official page of Gemini AI displayed on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on Sign In. Enter your email address and tap on Reset Password option. On the next page, enter your email address associated with your Gemini AI's account and tap on Send Reset Link. Open your email and click on Reset Link sent by Gemini. Create a new password for your Gemini's account, and that's how you will be able to reset your Gemini AI's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.